10 fun activities to keep your kids engaged and happy. Looking for ways to keep your little ones entertained? Here's a step-by-step guide to fun and engaging activities that will keep your kids happy and occupied. From creative crafts to exciting games, this list has something for everyone. 1. DIY craft time. What you need: construction paper, markers, scissors, glue, and stickers. How to do it: let your kids unleash their creativity by making colorful paper crafts. Encourage them to create cards, animals, or even fun shapes using the materials provided. Bonus: you can turn this into a mini art gallery by displaying their creations around the house. 2. Scavenger Hunt. What you need: a list of items to find, example, a red toy, a spoon, a flower, etc. How to do it: create a list of items for your kids to find around the house or backyard. Make it extra fun by timing them to see how quickly they can complete the hunt. Bonus: offer small rewards for completing the hunt, like extra screen time or a fun snack. 3. Baking together. What you need: cookie dough or cake mix, sprinkles, and frosting. How to do it: get your kids involved in baking by letting them help with mixing, pouring, and decorating. Let them be the chefs and add their own creative touches to the treats. Bonus: they can share their baked goodies with family members as a special treat. 4. Outdoor obstacle course. What you need: household items like chairs, cones, and rope. How to do it: set up a fun outdoor obstacle course for your kids to complete. Include activities like rolling under tables, jumping over objects, and balancing on a line. Bonus: time them to see who can finish the course the fastest. And hey, to all parents out there, in order for your aching knees to win against these little ones, please do share, like, and subscribe to our channel. 5. Puppet Show. What you need: socks, buttons, and fabric for making puppets. How to do it: let your kids create their own puppets using socks or paper bags. Afterward, they can put on a fun puppet show for the whole family to watch. Bonus: encourage them to write their own script for the show. 6. Treasure Map Adventure. What you need: paper, markers, and a small treasure, toy, or treat. How to do it: draw a treasure map that leads your kids to a hidden surprise somewhere in the house or garden. Make the journey exciting with riddles or clues. Bonus: let them take turns hiding the treasure and making the map. 7. Dance Party. What you need: fun music and a spacious room. How to do it: play their favorite songs and have a dance party. Teach them some simple dance moves or let them come up with their own routine. Bonus: play freeze dance where everyone must stop moving when the music pauses. 8. Building a fort. What you need: blankets, pillows, and chairs. How to do it: get cozy by building a fort together using blankets and cushions. Once it is complete, they can enjoy reading or playing in their new hideaway. Bonus: set up a movie time inside the fort for extra fun. 9. Nature walk and exploration. What you need: a bag for collecting nature items, rocks, leaves, sticks. How to do it: take a walk in the park or around your neighborhood and let your kids collect interesting items like leaves, rocks, and flowers. Bonus: teach them about different plants and animals along the way. 10. Puzzle Challenge. What you need: puzzles or brain teaser games. How to do it: set up a puzzle challenge by giving your kids a fun puzzle to solve. You can even time them to make it competitive. Bonus: make a giant puzzle with a fun theme, like animals or outer space. These 10 activities are sure to keep your kids entertained while fostering creativity, learning, and fun. Thank you for joining us on this magical adventure of fun activities. We hope these ideas spark joy, creativity, and laughter in your home, turning ordinary moments into extraordinary memories. Remember, the most magical thing you can give your kids is your time and love. Before you go, here's a little reminder for you. The greatest gift you can give your children is not things, but your time, your attention, and your imagination. Stay positive, keep the magic alive, and remember that every day is an opportunity to create something special. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and and share this video with others who could use a little extra joy. Until next time, keep the fun and laughter flowing, and let your world be filled with magic. See you soon.